welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the display on your dash right there. I'm going to change it so on your steering wheel, you'll DISP display, press that. You'll press it, and when you press it, it changes from average miles per gallon of 21.7, the temperature, which is in Fahrenheit, 85 degrees, instant miles per gallon, which can be really crazy numbers. They're like instant within a few seconds or a minute, something like that. They'd be like, oh, you're getting 99 miles per gallon. And the next second it'd be like, or minute, you're getting 1 mile per gallon. So I usually keep it on that or the temperature. And then, so then below that's the odometer. And then your Prindle will let you know what gear you're in. You're in P. It doesn't tell you 3, 2, or 1. So let me put it in 3. Oh, yes, it does. I lied. So there's S in 3, S in 2, and that's in low. How about that Prindle? It's almost like Pringle, but it's not quite Pringle. So there's 3. It's in drive, and then reverse and park. All about holding that brake in and doing that. And then over here is, nope, with the wipers on, you can reset your trip. So you can hold that in. Actually, I think you hold it in. No. Let's see. Let's go to, yeah, right there. Hold it in. There you go. Zero out your trip, and then you can go and you can count your miles. Oop. And then, so it's, it's an all-around good time. So there you have it. That's how you toggle, change your display on your on your dash on your Toyota RAV4. That's how you see what your miles per gallons are. That's how you find out what your average miles per gallon are on your Toyota RAV4. Toyota. 1 circle, 2 circles, 3, 4, 5. You go on forever. 6, 7, 8. You can just count, be OCD and count circles, especially the speakers. Look at all these circles in here. But you can count circles everywhere. Circle, 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 circles everywhere. But anyway, miles per gallon. You have a great day.